Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, the thumbnail and this look right here, I have decided to do a review on some Makeup Revolution products. So I'm not going to tell you what is Makeup Revolution on my face, you'll have to watch the video to find out. You can probably guess a few. So yeah, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will be doing some more looks to do with Makeup Revolution. Keep an eye out for those. You can click my face at the end of the video, or you can just press this little button right here in the corner and you'll be subscribed to my channel. And let's just get into the video. Okay, so this camera is actually facing a different way on my phone, so I actually can't see what's going on. So if I'm out of like frame, I'm sorry, or if it's blurry, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna start now. I've got my cheese bites. Yum. Gonna get me through this video. I don't really do makeup, but I do want to start getting into it. You would have seen the makeup look that I came up with, but you don't know which products were actually Makeup Revolution. I'm going to reveal them to you. The first product I'm going to be reviewing is this Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define. It's in the shade C6, so it is quite fair. So let's get it out of its wrapper. Leave all the links as well to the website where you can actually purchase these online if they've got them online. Ow. Get off. Oh, where's the little strippy thing?
3 hours later.
Okay. I've got the body of it now. That's annoying. The sticker's like stuck on there, so I can't like take the sticker off. Oh, okay. Anyways. Was there another? Oh, there's another wrap. Okay, so there's 2 wraps on the concealer. That's like extra protection. I thought I got through it. They're like Conceal the Concealer. So it's this one here. Really beautiful packaging actually. Looks very classy. The next product I have actually tried already. I couldn't just go without using this highlighter. Revolution Makeup Revolution London. It's the highlighter Reloaded and it's stunning. So this is the packaging here. It's a beautiful like sand shade, if I have to like explain the shade. Again, with terminology, I'm sorry if I say like any wrong makeup terminology. My terminology, I'm just getting there, okay? It's beautiful. It's called the Highlighter Reloaded Raise the Bar. Stunning. Look at that. Wow. So the main baby in this video is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Reloaded Euphoria? I think that says Euphoria. Euphoria palette. Look at them colours. I mean, okay. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. Starting up makeup, I really did want to have like a good variety of colours, bit of mattes, bit of shimmers, and like some really pop colours, but also some like maybe dark colours as well. The only thing that I would say about this palette, looking at some of their palettes in Makeup Revolution, just personal preference, I really like it when a shade has a name. I don't know why. I don't know if it just makes it more creative and more like fun to be like, I'm using apple. I don't know. These ones do have numbers on the back. So on the back, each colour is represented by a number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star, 6 star, 7, 8 star. However, the colours, I am like, wow. Now, this video is actually inspired by a little game that I did on my Instagram. I actually made a poll on my Instagram where I put out loads of different vibes and they were like all different sets. Some were like sunsets, ice cream inspired, aliens, all just different vibes. And I put each one on my Instagram story and then I said, you vote which one you like the most. And the winner was this one here. Yes, the alien themed one. I'm going to be doing an alien, I just dropped the palette on my foot. So I'm going to be using mainly like the green shades in this palette, darks. I'm going to see how creative I can get because again, this is like, you know, my first proper time doing a crazy makeup eye look. So I've already done my eyebrows and I've also prepped my eyes already. I used the Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow from Benefit on my eyes to prime them. I've also primed my face by using the Pour Professional by Benefit. I'm going to start with the eyes. They're the main feature in this look, and then what I'm going to do, if there's any fallout, I'm just going to be able to wipe it away with a makeup wipe and then be able to set my face with the concealer, a different foundation, and then this bad boy. Let's start with the eyes, shall we? So for the eyes, I do have like different types of makeup brushes that I'm going to be using here, and then I'm going to go I've looked at loads of videos for like inspiration, and they always have like a dark base and then they go like a bit lighter at the top to kind of blend it in. Blend is your friend. So I'm going to actually start with this shade here. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to take a shade. Oh, let me actually see what shade this is. This is shade 4. I'm patting the brush and there isn't any, is it called kickback? Oh god. There is slightly some kickback, but it's not like horrific. So let's see if this plays up to the test. I'm gonna get in your personal space now. Hi. I'm gonna pack it actually. Let's do packing motions because I watched that in loads of different makeup videos where they just pack the brushes. Hello colour. I did take it in college. I did a makeup and hair course, but that was for film and TV. So it was very like period or like drama or special effects. But I want to get more creative with eyeshadow and just different makeup looks. Okay, so the pigment is definitely there, and that was literally like the touch of my brush. Okay, so both eyes are done. I actually did go onto the outer V as well, just because I really do like this colour, so I've made it go on a bit of the outer V on both eyes. And now what I'm going to do is get a lighter shade, so I'm going to go in with this shade. Oh, have I done this the wrong way? Is it go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, so I think that's maybe shade 2, and then I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is shade 6 Star, just under my brow bone with a different brush. Look at that, beautiful. Loads of colour on that bad boy. Am I going to regret this? I don't know. Maybe it'll look cool. I do really like this colour though. It's like a lime green. These are both matte shades as well, so they are really pigmented. The price of this palette was £10 as well, so for £10, I mean, no, it wasn't £10. I think it was £8. Was it 4? And what I'm gonna do is, I do like this green shade here, which I think is shade 4. Right, so I'm patting this. Again, loads of pigment on the brush, a little bit of kickback in the palette, but barely anything. These green shades are pretty cool. Right. Go back in with you, shade 2. Let's see if you pop. Oh, what's that? Oh, hello, fluff. This looks so messy right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna, do I do this? Am I gonna ruin this whole look? So now I'm gonna take in shade 11 Star. I'm gonna get the black on my brush and I'm going to go into my crease line and outline my crease line. Very pigmented, this black, which is nice. Okay, blend this out. I'm going to blend it out with a different fluffy brush. Smoke it up. Don't worry, I'm going to clean this up. It's going to look very sharp. But yeah, as you can see, you've got now a really cool transition of like different colours. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in with a shimmer shade. So I'm going to go in with, I think is the shimmer shade 7. Should we do a swatch? Let's do a swatch. Really cool. Okay, so there is the shimmer shade. Very, very, very shimmery indeed. I'm going to go in with a bit of the Pore Professional to do this. So I'm going to go in with a flat brush. Try this one, which is the Hello Oxygen. I think because it's a, you know, a primer, it's not going to show up. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what I was meant to do. Blend is your friend. And then what I'm going to do is I'm then going to go in with this shimmer shade. Okay, it works. Beautiful. It's a very pretty colour. Now, there hasn't actually been major fallout under my eye, which I'm actually really happy with. And now what I'm going to do is I really want to add this shimmer shade here. It's like a silver. I really want to add it in the inner corner just to give the eyes a bit of a pop. This will be shade 9. So I think I'm just going to use that. I'm just going to use it because it looks really pretty. Oh, yes. Gold and silver go. No, loads of people will be like, oh my god, what are you doing? But I think it looks really cool. Pop. Wow. I think they look really cool. So really happy with the eyeshadow palette actually. The pigmentation is amazing. There's no fallout. There's barely any fallout in the actual kickback even in the actual pan. Actual like pigmentation of like the shimmers and the mattes. They blend really beautifully as well. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna swipe away with a baby wipe. Oh, I'm actually in love. Maybe I'll start wearing my eyes like this every day. I'm just gonna finish it off with a black eyeliner, some eyelashes, or should I do eyelashes last? And then we'll be back to test out these bad boys. I'm actually really loving this. I'm really loving this green look. Also I'm wearing a green Disney top to add that green effect to it as well. Yeah, really cool, really like these. Now what I'm gonna do is go in with the concealer. I'm gonna do one side with the concealer and then the foundation, and the other side I'm gonna do foundation and then the concealer on top, because loads of people do their makeup differently. So obviously I'm gonna do it this way so that you can get a good view on, you know, different ways of using this. That was nice. It's also got like a slant at the top, so that will be a nice applicator to put on. Oh, very creamy. Conceal and define, full coverage conceal and contour. Let's blend this in, shall we? Consistency I really do like. I really do like the consistency of it. It's really creamy and light. It's not too like heavy on the skin, which I really do like. Blending nicely. It does have like what it looks like and feels like a matte finish. I've got quite dry skin, so I like my foundation or concealer to have a really dewy finish. You see the difference? It's got a really nice finish. You still see a bit of redness on this side. Let's go in with another layer. 3 dots here because I don't want to do too much. Okay, it does get rid of redness, but cut into this eyeshadow. Where's it gone? Concealer? For the other side, I'm going to put my foundation on first, and then on top, going to put on the concealer and see if that has maybe a slight difference to it. This is all blended. Hopefully it looks blended on camera. Right, now let's blend this in again and see. It is a really nice shade, especially to like highlight. It's nice. It has got a nice coverage to it. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. Just wouldn't say it's full coverage. I'm gonna add a little bit to the other side as well, just to really brighten up my eye area, because it really does brighten up, which is really nice. The thing I would say about it is obviously it's mattifying, but then that will be really helpful to some people's skin, because some people's skin have really like dewy skin. So obviously something that's quite mattifying would be really helpful to them. That doesn't mean that I'm not going to use it, because it is a really, really lovely concealer. So nice. Last, I want to use the highlight. Let's go in with bronzer. Bronze my face up. I'm just using the NYX matte powder bronzer, and I'm just going to pop this all over my face. And now what I'm going to do is go in with this highlight. So I'm really, really excited. Cheeky little swatch. I mean, beautiful. I literally love to glow. Let's glow, shall we? Ooh. Ooh. It'll be beautiful on holiday. A little bit on the chin. A little bit on the top lip. I hope it's picking up on camera how glowy this is. So really happy with my purchase there. That's actually all of the products, and now I'm going to finish it off with lips. So I'm going to just go in with my Velvet Teddy from MAC. I'm going to go in, and then I'm going to go in with like a metallic shade from Studio London, which has like a shimmer to it as well. So it's a little bit of like a sheen lip shimmer. Yeah, got a bit of a lip shimmer from Studio London, and I'm just going to add that just in the centre of the lips. Oh, okay, maybe that's telling me to calm down with the lip shimmer. I think that is the final look. I'm actually really happy with how the eyes turned out. Like, they're really sparkly, they've got this green vibe going on. But I'm really, really happy. I'm really happy with the eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to do some more different looks, like some sunset looks, like the blues, the purples, the pinks. So I will be doing more from this palette as well. Keep an eye out for some more Valentine's videos that are going to be coming soon. Look, I'm really happy with how the eyeshadow turned out and how the concealer was, and obviously the highlighter. I mean, So yeah, that is basically it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye!